In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Roblox account to Discord, so just follow these steps exactly. Now, the first thing you want to do is open the Discord app on your device. Now, once Discord opens, tap on your profile icon and then tap on the Settings gear icon to open your account settings. Now, inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Connections. Now, once you're in Connections, tap on the Add button and then scroll down until you find the Roblox option and tap on it. Now, on this page, you'll be asked to enter your Roblox username and password, so just type in your login details. Now, after that, scroll down and tap Confirm and Give Access. Now, once you do that, your Roblox account will be successfully linked to your Discord account and it will show under your connections. And that's it. You have successfully connected Roblox to Discord. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.